Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Jazz rear brake pads. First, gather your essential tools like a jack, lug wrench, and a socket set. Make sure you have new brake pads and fresh brake fluid ready. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wheel chocks before starting any work on your vehicle. With your vehicle safely supported, begin by loosening the wheel mounting bolts and then removing the rear wheel. Next, locate the two caliper guide bolts, typically 12mm, found on the back of the caliper assembly. Carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake disc, being careful not to strain the brake hose. Now, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a specialized tool, as rear pistons often need to be rotated and pushed simultaneously. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Finally, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and brake disc, then reinsert and tighten the guide bolts securely to about 23 Nm. After installing everything, it's crucial to bleed the brake system to remove any air that might have entered, starting with the wheel furthest from the master cylinder. Then, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, which helps seat the new pads. Take your car for a short, careful test drive to ensure proper braking function. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.